Chung Min Lee from Korea.
Thank you, Minister, for your speech and your overview of Asian security. My question to you, sir, is this. You say that China does everything correct for security and defense in this region, but many in this country, in this region, think that what you do is exactly the opposite. You argue that China is against cyber attacks, yet your companies, such as iSun or Anshun, data leakage has revealed consistent attacks against all Asian countries, including all ASEAN governments. You argue that you are against nuclear proliferation and you want a nuclear-free Asia, yet your country continues to support Kim Jong-un's nuclear state. And you also work very closely with Russia. Finally, you argue that you are for the freedom of navigation, and yet you are threatening ASEAN states, including the Philippines, every single day. And you claim the South China Sea is basically all Chinese. So how can we trust you when your words and your actions are totally opposite? Thank you.
May isang Malaysian doon, ang sabi niya, hinahanap ko nga yung video wala doon sa website ng Al Jazeera, pero narinig ko yun. Kinahihiya namin ang Pilipinas dahil sa kanyang posisyon na sunod-sunuran sa Amerika. Kinahihiya daw ang Pilipinas ng ASEAN dahil tayo lang daw po ang sunod-sunuran sa Amerika. Totoo po yun, ha? Tayo lang talaga ang nagpapauto sa mga Amerikano. Pinagagamit natin ang basa militar at yung aking artikulo po, itong Sabado, tumawag sa akin na napakadaming senador. Naku po, bagamat nakita nga natin sa pahayagan, yung balita na nag-deploy dito sa Pilipinas sa mga Amerikano ng medium-range missile launchers, hindi po nila sinabi kung anong importansya nun.